In front of me is XIAOMI 13 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS launcher. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on Home button. Finally, you can access Devices settings and scroll down to access Apps section. Over here. Then click on Manage Apps. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Default Apps. Now click on Launcher at the top. Click on iOS one and tap on Home button. Then select Got it. And as you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my XIAOMI. If you wish to switch between your layouts, go into exactly the same settings and tap on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!